Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into a unique product that's been making waves, the best alcohol weight loss solution available. If you're looking for a way to support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle and reduce alcohol cravings, you've come to the right place. Let's start by introducing the product. It's called the Anti-Alcohol Drink Support Supplement from VITINITY. This supplement is designed to provide comprehensive support to individuals struggling with alcohol use. It promises to help curb cravings, promote liver health, and assist in gradual reduction. But that's not all. It also acts as a nutrient replenisher, aiming to restore the vitamins and minerals your body may have lost due to prolonged alcohol consumption. Now, let's delve into the key ingredients that make this supplement stand out. It's packed with a powerful vitamin regimen, including B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, folic acid, and biotin. These essential vitamins play a crucial role in replenishing your body and combating the fatigue often associated with alcohol cleansing. The product also focuses on a system cleanse, targeting areas of the body that may have been damaged by alcohol use. It contains kudzu root, known for reducing alcohol cravings, and milk thistle extract and bupleurum root, which act as liver support and antioxidants, aiding in the cleansing process. Vitamin B5 is included to alleviate symptoms like headaches and fatigue. But it doesn't stop there. This anti-alcohol drink support supplement also prioritizes your emotional health. Guarana is added for mood support, potentially reducing restlessness and mood swings. Inositol may increase clarity and reduce symptoms, offering you a clear and happy mind for a better chance at success. It's important to note that this supplement is professionally formulated by a PhD holder who has carefully chosen the best ingredients to help you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle, especially when it comes to liver health and alcohol reduction. Now, before we conclude, let's take a quick look at what users are saying about this product. With over 3,200 ratings and an average rating of 3.8 stars, it's clear that many have found value in the anti-alcohol drink support supplement. Users have reported reduced alcohol cravings, improved energy levels, and even a decrease in alcohol consumption. So, there you have it, folks, an in-depth look at the anti-alcohol drink support supplement by VITINITY, the best alcohol weight loss solution on the market. If you're on a journey to reduce alcohol consumption, support your liver, and improve your overall well-being, this product might be worth considering. If you'd like to give it a try or learn more, we've provided a link in the description below where you can find this product on Amazon. And if you've already tried it, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments section. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative. Subscribe for more reviews on the latest products, and as always, stay healthy and informed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.